it's Morgan with WTI.
I totally love this set of gel nail polish from Modelones. This comes with 6 nude colors and I just love them. Every single one is pretty perfect and it just goes with anything that you need. Today I'm going to be showing you color number 0274 and I love this color. It is so great. I was doing these before I went on a trip and it lasted the entire time. I think it's just really great, especially when you have a neutral set, because it just goes with any outfit, any occasion that you're doing. And especially when you're doing a gel manicure that lasts a long time at home, it's good that it can go with everything. So that is why I love this nude collection from Modelones. The brush is great. It makes application very easy. I think just 2 coats looks fantastic. And again, it lasts so long.
I love this nail polish set, and that's my point of view.